Well, we started the day off, day 43, I think, the right way. Prayer, of course, and then a good hot breakfast at Cracker Barrel. Then we hit the road. Hey there, it's day 42. Beautiful sunny day. Going to Marion to take back a truck that's been loaned to me for a long time. Thought I'd get through the old-timey way by Linville Caverns. Still closed. Road's still out. Got to go 30 minutes around through Spruce Pine. But I can go see Victor at the Hispanic trailer park we worked on. Check on him and take his kids some candy. But people think it's over and it's not in the news. This is the main road to Marion, which is a big city, and to I-40. This is the way to get there from Boone. And 42 days later, it's still closed. So if you think we're over and we're all back to normal, it's not going to be back to normal for years. I keep saying that, but it's the truth. There's been a scar left on this land, but some of it will be a lifetime scar. I'm just driving. I was going to go to Wendy's and get a chicken sandwich, but looks like Wendy's is having a little trouble reopening after the flood. Nothing to see here, folks. Everything's back to normal. Everything's okay. Huh. You can just go to McDonald's. Oh, no, they're flooded out and shut down too. Huh.
And for you with the Spanish speaking, let them know if they're, what is it called, undocumented?
John, would you say anything on camera about what FEMA is doing or doing to help?
You can put me on the spot. I don't have the words right now.
People have a lot of things bad to say about FEMA, but you're out here doing something good, right?
Okay, I really can't say anything right now.
Okay. We're in a furniture factory. Was a furniture factory. We build sawmill, and they build custom furniture and slab furniture. And it got the back wall caved in. The guy Chris was here when it happened, and he's got a kiln that's so cool, made out of a 40-foot shipping container where he dries all his wood and builds all his custom furniture out of stuff, one-of-a-kind things and pieces. Anyway, now that I'm over here away from the FEMA guy, it's interesting that he didn't have anything to say, but I'll say more about that later. At least they're here acting or appear to be trying to do something to help. But we're gonna try to help here too, how we can. I got connected to this through a mutual friend of the guy that owns this and runs this, so we'll see what happens and how we can help get this place back online and up and running. All right, so I wanted to come up to the back side of this and show you what it looks like, man. And they were in there. I don't know if I said that on that last video. Chris and his wife and kids live near here, but their house was, they felt like they were in danger, so they came down here to the shop to take refuge, and the shop caved in and nothing happened to their house. He was standing down in there right over by that track hoe when it happened. Hey, what are you doing, Manning? Darren Manning down. What are you doing down in there? Yeah, careful, something might fall on you. All right. He's going back, he's coming back around. All right. God, show us what we can do to help here. All right, love you. God bless you. Bye.
No houses down here.
So I just want you to see all this trash. If you think everything's back to normal and we're all cleared up and cleaned up here in the beautiful high country, it's just trees and trash and trees and trash, and oh, we're just getting started. This is 42 days later. And this stuff's been sitting here, some of it for that. There's a mattress. The household belongings of things rotting and stinking and molding. Beautiful high country here. Welcome to the high country. back to normal in the high country. Huh. Anyway. Sad. But it'll get cleaned up eventually. Come on now. Alright. I'm being portered across the creek. Bill, pray for me. I'm being portered across the creek.
And we do whatever it takes.
There's a good man right here.
There we go.
Alright. Darren, you're next.
Oh.
I don't think you can carry Darren.
He might be a little heavier. I can get you.
That's a first. Been portered by one of the men that lives here, Pete. You've seen him in some of the other videos. So finishing up day 42 out here. Been through 4 counties today. Checking on jobs, lining up new jobs. Thanks to Will Brinker. Thank you, Will. Burn pile's going good. They got a lot of that piled up. So that's sad. That house was what's left of it's down there. Wow, there's a lot of progress. Let's check in with the sheriff. What do you have to say for yourself?
Cuff them and stuff them.
Keep praying for us. Come help us. We need help. Love you. Bye-bye.
He was doing it.
There he is. The land clear. It's going.
That says it all right there.
All right, we're going to have a weenie roast here in a little bit.